Will investing in the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal help you achieve your financial goals in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. This is a non-linked, non-participating endowment life insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are this policy has multiple policy terms and premium payment terms for you to choose from, and you can also extend the life cover, which is an option to extend your life cover beyond your policy term, and there is a guaranteed benefit in the form of income or lump sum amount. The income benefit can be increased at a predefined percentage every year, and you can also add riders to enhance your life cover. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like maturity benefit and death benefit, which will differ based on the plan option you have opted for. So now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. Let us first start with the advantages. So here the benefits are guaranteed and can be received as per your convenience, and also you have the option to extend your life cover even after the policy term, and the income benefit can be a step up income year after year to meet the growing need. So these are some of the advantages of this policy. Some of the disadvantages are the lock-in period is for 2 years for surrender and loan facility, and the investment return is comparatively low. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis by calculating the internal rate of return of the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So for example purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has purchased this policy with a basic sum assured of 2,28,493 rupees with a policy term of 10 years and premium paying term of 5 years with an annualized premium of 1 lakh rupees. So he has chosen the lump sum option with a death benefit of 10 lakh. So from the calculations presented on the tabular column presented on the screen, you can see the IRR, the internal rate of return of this policy, is calculated at 4.43%. So at the end of the policy term, a lump sum amount of 7.08 lakhs is receivable, but the IRR is calculated to be only 4.43%, which is lower than any bank FD rate. So locking funds for a long period at this rate is not advisable because the return on investment will be eaten away by inflation and won't be sufficient to meet any of your dreams. So as this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis, where we are going to explore an alternative strategy by investing in insurance and investments separately to see whether it can give us better outcomes by being invested separately. So for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy for a 10 lakh sum assured with a policy term of 10 years and a premium paying term of 5 years. These have some similar metrics to the Bajaj policy for a fair comparison, but here we are only paying an annualized premium of 9,100 rupees. So the amount we can save up is 90,900 rupees compared to the 1 lakh premium we paid in the Bajaj policy. So this can be used for investment in your preferred investment vehicle. So in this example scenario, we have taken up ELSS to show how in long term period equity has a better potential of giving you inflation adjusted and better risk adjusted returns as well. So the IRR of term insurance plus ELSS as calculated in the tabular column presented before you is at 9.85%. So if you invest in it in a risk-free instrument like PPF, the IRR will work out to be 6.47%. So 9.73% for ELSS, which is calculated on the post-tax return, which is an inflation-beating one, and comparatively both these returns do well compared to Bajaj policy. And if you have any doubts regarding how the ELSS tax is calculated, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your easy reference for you to pause and see. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal Plan worth it or not. So this is an endowment life insurance policy with additional features such as regular income and extended life cover. But at the end of the day, the investor earns a very meager amount in terms of capital appreciation or regular income. So the life cover is also not adequate. So like many policies in the bazaar, this policy neither serves the purpose of life insurance coverage adequately nor serves as a good investment option for wealth accumulation. But still, insurance agents will try to lure you into this policy for their own agent commission, so please beware. A pure term policy will protect your family when you are not around. It provides higher coverage at the cost of an affordable premium. So investors should understand the importance of pure term life insurance, which is hardly sold by any agents, and shouldn't get trapped in any of the traditional life insurance policies like this, because they neither give good insurance, like adequate insurance, nor good returns.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.